Hey guys, it's Matthew again, and it's last month of 2023. That's December. Today is December 1st right here, but those on GMT is December 2nd already. It's the last day of the last month of the year 2023, and we like to thank all our subscribers, our viewers globally, for your continuous support. So far so good. We'd like to thank you guys for keep joining us, sharing our videos, commenting, subscribing, purchasing our trading boats, the feedbacks as well. We'd like to thank those who have been with us for the onset, from the era of bet on market, bomb, to binary.com, to deriv.app. It's been an amazing journey. We'd like to thank you guys. Without you, we can't do this. We'd like to thank you guys for keep giving us the urge to keep doing more and more and more. And we wish you all a prosperous 2024 ahead of us. Here we're going to be trading the Volatility 25 index, no touch, no touch, and we have logged into the trading platform DTrader. So once you log in to the DTrader platform, I'm using one indicator here under momentum, which is the price rates of change indicator. Once you click on it, it's going to show right here. So we're going to be okay. I sense that thing down there. I click on touch there, so let's wait for the outcome of that trade. Okay, we've won that trade already. So I'm going to explain this to you. Set your barrier offset to minus 0.09, set the ticks to 10 ticks, then enter the amount you want to stake. You can see we're going to be making 35.85 here. So if you place 10 trades and you still lose maybe 2 or 3, you will still be in profit. You will still be in profit. So what we are going to be doing is this: you watch this thing goes right up. You watch it goes right up. As it's going up, the down will also be going up as well. So once it's going down, you now click on touch, but you have to wait for it to go right up. It has to go right up first. You can see it's already rebounding, so don't click on touch now. You have to wait for it to go right up again before you click on touch when it's going down. So watch, let it go right up. Going down, you have to wait. Still going down. Still going down. Okay, you can see it has gone up. So when it's going down now, you are going to click on touch. You have to wait for it to be going right down. Okay, now going down. So I place that trade here. You have to be fast with it. You have to be fast. You can see we won that trade here. We won that trade. We placed 2 trades here and we made 24 bucks. So we're going to trade again, but before we place another trade, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boats, there's a boat right here. The version 8.0 is out. It's just 9.99 USD, and you have so many payment options right there on the other page. It's automated and it works on deriv.app, and you get free updates when you purchase this boat. To order this boat, all you have to do is to go to www.touchscalper.ctydechnologies.com.ng. You can see so many payment options right there: debit card, Perfect Money, PayPal, Web Money, Bitcoin, Ethereum, bank transfer, and other payment options on the other page. The PIPSREAPER boat as well is the PIPSREAPER boat. The PIPSREAPER boat is just 7.99 USD. See all the payment options available on the other page as well. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, these boats are automated. They trade themselves. They close the trade themselves, and you can run them on demo first before you go live to know when to use them and how to use them. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, visit binary PIPSREAPER boat at ctydechnologies.com deriv.ng, and our books come with the free ebook on how to trade synthetic indices, and also you get free bot as well. You also get a free Forex trading bot and free Forex trading ebook as well. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more updates, trading updates and all that. So here we're going to paste the links to all these infos in the video description on YouTube. Here is a link to order the PIPSREAPER boat. Check the video description on YouTube. Here is a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat. Here is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account, to test all the strategies on demo before you go live. Here is a link to subscribe to our channels. That's the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. So subscribe to all our channels, and the links to download the ebooks are also here. Here is a link to sign up for a Forex trading account to test the Forex trading bot we gave away for free on MT5. Here is a link to download the Forex trading ebook. In the link you see the free link to download the bot. Here is the link to download the synthetic indices ebook. We gave out 4 free bots for binary options. You see the link to download it in this ebook as well. And here is the link to join our forum to read written tutorials. So let's place one more trade before we proceed to the next strategy. So we're gonna go for our last trade now, guys. We're gonna go for our last trade. So let's just watch a little. Let's wait for it to go right up. Okay, it's going right up. Going up. So once it drops down now, we're gonna click on touch. So it has dropped down a little. That's gonna be the last trade. Okay, you can see we won that trade there. We won that trade. We won our last trade. So that's going to be it for now. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more updates. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.